Hello bakers and welcome to Upside Down. Today we are going to be checking a couple of news from the 3D industry. Before continuing, if you like my content and you would like to learn more tutorials, tips and tricks for becoming 3D artist and especially game artist, subscribe to the channel and like this video. Now let's roll the intro. So the first news are coming from ArtStation, and they just announced that their Learning tab, this is when you go to the ArtStation webpage, they have this Learning tab over here. So before it was something which was just for the pro version, and then you can get some of the tutorials. Of course, everything was paid, but now this is going to be completely free. So if you have an ArtStation account, you can just go and watch super awesome tutorials on different topics for becoming a better artist. With the upcoming holidays, it's a perfect time for learning some new skills. So go to ArtStation, grab an account, and then start learning. Our second news are coming from Zbrush and Maxton. Maxton, if you're not familiar, are the developers that are creating Cinema 4D. So Zbrush, Pixologic are combining powers together with Maxton. This way, both teams are going to continue developing further Zbrush experience, which is going to be even better. This is something which we are going to feel more from the upcoming updates that are coming for the next versions of Zbrush. And if you would like to read a little bit more about this, I'm going to put a link down in the description below. On the webpage, they're writing a little bit more about the union with these two companies. And if you would like to learn more about using Zbrush, I'm going to put as well in the description a couple of links for different videos where you can start. The last announcement that I have for today is in the fashion of ArtStation. Since they are putting all the tutorials and everything in the Learning tab for free, I also wanted to create something for the channel and everyone in the community. This is why from tomorrow there is going to be available a full course for 3ds Max for beginners. This is more than an hour and a half of a tutorial, which you can start and get all the basics, learn a little bit more about modeling, as well learn about animations, UVs, texturing, and pretty much everything to get you started. And then you can check more of my content or more videos online so that you become a 3D artist. I hope that you will like that tutorial, subscribe and follow me for more content like this. See you next time.